where y'all wrong at. It's deeper than heartbreaks. It goes deeper than sex. Straight women talking about, you don't know what you missing. I look at them like, girl, you don't know what you missing. And the worst thing is that I'm too pretty to be gay. Wait, how the fuck someone too pretty to be gay? That mean the ugly only supposed to live his lifestyle. They supposed to be treated foul. Wow. When did that come into play? They wonder why my attitude is the way it is today. Men beat women and rape children. They focus on us like we worse than them. Pastors commit adultery in the church, fornicate, but they act like being gay is worse. Over in Africa, lesbians getting raped, beat, tortured, they losing their faith. All we do is got love for women. Do we deserve to get treated like shit because we can't control our feelings?
Drop that shit, let's go!
She came with 2 6s. Home with me and it's clean like some new dishes. You gotta watch the cops every time you drop the top. Candy paint tripping like pimpin' must have dropped the pop. I do some real estate, so I had to cop a smart. And every time I grab a chain, I always gotta cop the watch. General and all trucks, so I'm kinda lost. Grab a chick, stab her quick until I have a dying gone. I let my kicks fly when I'm up in this ride, spinning like a dish drive. About 6'5". I was an art pursuer, but I ain't had a heart to do it. Grab a chick that's fine to do designs like Martha Stewart. Don't even stop the music till you got a spot to cruise it. This is how we ride, cause we was taught this how the bosses do it. Stupid, put your motherfucking hands on. When I say what we doing, y'all say start. What we doing? Start. What we doing? Start. What we doing? Start. Hey, I got this black shit bad, buddy. Party my swag. Ain't nothing funny about my money, but your shit gon' make me laugh. If you wanna hate your heart, you Usher niggas got like the city. You should come and take a tour of it. Sitting high, see these people hating on us. We ain't talking traffic keepers when you see that paper on the sky. Start. While we laughing at you. Riding clean, sitting high, see these people hating on us. We ain't talking traffic keepers when you see that paper on the sky. We laughing at you. Start. We laughing at you. Start. We laughing at you. Start. Laughing at you.
What the fuck happened there? Robin Sheridan and Tony.
Hold on.
Tony 2
Wait, hold on. I need y'all to hear my man Tony 2 times speak.
Right here,
16,
right there.
real quick.
My man Tony gonna fuck that up. Check out the new video on YouTube. Tony.
Hey, listen. Used to trying to get some money in some brand new ways. If a nigga talking gully, we got brand new K's. Got the game tied up like some brand new braids. We flying through the city like a damn crusade. It's big cake round me. Checkmate crown me. Most of y'all sweet like some fresh break brownies. The other half soft like some fresh sit downy. Being broke to you is funny like Fresh Prince round me. Strap we be with them gas and DEs. Cause I'm out of this world like a black ET. And I'm caught up in the twirl so my packs repeat. Make the bread come back like a scratch CD.
I need y'all to show some love for Keith Murray! And let my balls hang like I'm on a toilet. My style is all that. And this big bag of shit with this dip. So fuck all that shit you with. I represent intellectual violence. And leave that thing harder than us. Yeah, like Drake, yeah. I shit with the rock. If your imp was a split. Yeah, no need to watch you with it, yo, I get busy. Got my Jordans on the boulevard of many rough cities. I have to know and bait you. I love to hate you, cause you're so in my nature. Can't wait to face you, mutilate you. Drinking down, straight with up. My river going back like a mini back to your back. As soon as one of you niggas, yeah, the LOB. Pause that, make some noise. The face will go, come on. Improvement can be done. Now stop it, just squat and rock it. I think somebody knocking your shut down, what's poppin'? Make some noise. You ready? Chillin' on the house on the hill. And rich girl, poor girl get the same respect. Play the record, motherfucker, more break your neck. Come on, let's go. So the hill, who got this out? Like Johnny Depp, a rich girl, poor girl get the same respect. You can all drink my friend called Earl Collect. At the moment of proof with burning the truth. We stack truth, spread love like a truth. The lyrical genius with the RP Messiah in the room. And as long as the party is jumping, we ain't concerned. We don't need no water like that motherfucker. And anybody who was somebody was here, throw your middle finger in the air. Somebody say fuck that shit. I said fuck that shit. I said fuck you, nigga. Oh, so the hands here. Hey ladies. Hey ladies. Turn this motherfucking microphone up. Hey, you love, you little fly lady folks. Come and swing this episode of Muff from up above with them Earl G's on fitting tight like a you little cinnamon toast crunch. Come show me some love. Then he got 10 ladies, but she's a picture postcard, pretty fat.